This problem involves taking a certain amount of water at a given temperature and adding to it a smaller amount of ice at a lower temperature. The container itself is a perfect insulator, and the question is, when the system reaches thermal equilibrium, what is its final temperature, and does any of the ice remain? Like any good problem-solving approach, it's best to start with a picture. So here I've drawn the initial state where the ice has just been added to the water. The initial mass of the ice is 150 grams, and its initial temperature is -5 degrees Celsius. The initial mass of the water is 500 grams, and its initial temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. The problem ends when the system has reached thermal equilibrium. So let's let this box represent the end state where it has reached thermal equilibrium. The end goal of the problem then is to find the final temperature of the system at thermal equilibrium and to determine if any ice remains.